It is a sunny morning. Emma looks outside her window. She sees a clear blue sky and hears birds singing. She decides it is a good day to visit the park. Emma puts on her favorite hat and grabs her backpack. She leaves her house with a smile. At the park, she sees many people. Some are walking, some are running, and some are sitting on benches. Emma walks slowly, enjoying the fresh air. She sees a pond with ducks swimming. Emma sits on a bench near the pond. A little boy is feeding the ducks with his mother. The ducks quack happily. Emma takes a book from her backpack. She likes to read in the park. The story in the book is exciting. Emma reads a few pages and looks up. She sees kids playing with a ball. Their laughter fills the park. Emma smiles and continues reading. After some time, Emma feels hungry. She opens her backpack and takes out a sandwich. As she eats, a friendly dog walks up to her. The dog wags its tail. Emma pets the dog gently. The dog's owner comes and says hello. They talk for a while. Emma learns the dog's name is Max. After eating, Emma decides to walk more. She sees flowers and takes some pictures with her phone. Emma likes the colorful flowers. Soon, the sun begins to set. The sky turns orange and pink. Emma knows it is time to go home. She feels happy and relaxed. Emma loves her day at the park. She hopes to come back soon. She walks back home. Emma thinks about her day. It was peaceful and joyful. She feels grateful for the little things. Emma is ready for a good night's sleep.